Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you 5 websites that you need to get into for summer 2023 if you want to make money online. They're absolutely amazing. Let's go. All right, so the first website you want to go to is booking.com because what do people like to do in summer? They like to travel. So, what you want to do, you want to go to booking.com affiliate partner center. And here you want to register as an affiliate for booking.com. So once you're registered, you'll get a link. And once you get that link, you just need to share it in your social media. I would recommend, let's say you take videos of nice sceneries that you could also find on websites like pexels.com, and then you can put your link below the video, or like you can put your link on your profile, and whenever people are gonna click on that link and book a trip, then you will make a commission. So it is very simple and people love traveling during summer, so this is a good one. Another good one is the same type of business that I'm going to talk about. It's Expedia. So it's about travels again. So you want to go to the Expedia group and you go to affiliate program. There you want to just join now. And once you're going to be part of that Expedia affiliate program, you'll be able to promote anything about Expedia, hotels.com, VRBO, Stays, Abritel, and Fiwu Direct. I don't know about that one, honestly. Same thing, you're going to join, you'll get a link, you'll share your link, drive traffic to your link, and every time somebody is going to book via Expedia, hotels.com, and the other ones, you will make a commission. Again, just use websites like pexels.com or other free websites where you can get videos and images, and go on your social media. Think about pinterest.com, think about your Facebook Reels, think about Instagram Reels. They're all good. So that's a really good one. Then another good one, same thing, people when they travel, they need an accommodation, and we know that Airbnb is super popular. So you want to go to Airbnb, to the Associates program, and this is where you'll want to sign up. So it's going to be very simple. You can just promote some accommodations from Airbnb, and every time somebody is going to click on your link, you'll get a link again, a referral link. You'll get a commission for people that booked that accommodation. So whether you know this accommodation, you've already been there, so you can talk about it, you can recommend it or not. Whether it's just an accommodation you like, you can just write a small description on the blog if you want to, or if you have a website, you can talk about it. You can talk about it on a Facebook post or an Instagram post, because we know how people like to see photos, and if you put that link there, that's great too. So Airbnb is really good. It's super popular. People like it because it's so much cuter than staying in a hotel chain that doesn't have any nice touch. It's just so, yeah, that's a great one if you haven't thought about that one. Okay, so the other pretty cool website, I think, for summer 2023 is kit.co. You can create kits for any occasions. It could be a beach kit, it could be a hiking kit, or whatever you want. And the cool thing is that you can literally have multiple products, but you do not have to sign up to any affiliate programs. And you can have Amazon products or whatever other products in your kit. And you just need to share your kit. So let's say cleaning favorite kit, one product. So that's the shop here. So you're going to select products, put it in your kit, and then you share it. So what you can do as well, I mean, this can work for, let's say, Christmas as well, or Halloween, or you can target nurses or teachers, those kind of groups. Those are pretty good niches actually. And then you simply just create a kit and share it. And every time somebody is going to buy that product that is in your kit, you'll make a commission. Don't forget as well, you can use definitely ChatGPT to ask what people are buying for hiking, or what are people buying when they go like to go to the beach, or what do they like buying. I don't know, like what do teachers want to make their day easier? What do they want to buy? It could be anything and everything. So that's pretty cool. It's called Kit.co. I highly recommend that for summer 2023. All right, the last website I wanted to show you that you really need to get into for summer 2023 is called clickasnap.com. So you have to go to clickasnap.com. What do people like to do in summer in general? When you're like in summer, a lot of people are just outside and they like to take photos. So that website is pretty awesome because you simply need to sign up, and then you can get paid up to 90 cents per photo per view. So people don't even need to download your photo. They just need to view the photo. Viewing a photo is like staying 5 seconds on the photo. And we're going to check an example. Let's say if I want to go to the marketplace right here. Okay, I'm in the marketplace. I want to go to the water sports, and I can just, select by popular ones. So we're going to take this one as an example. This one has 9,119 views. And literally, like if you are on the 90 cents per view, so think about it, 90 cents, and you times that by, so we said 9118. So just that photo on its own made $8,206. And the cool thing is that there's no selling to do. You just want to have people viewing your photo. So it's really cool. You have different plans, of course, but you have a free plan. It pays you only 10 cents. But then it depends if you want to pay for the pro plan. And again, that's not that expensive, £7, it's in pounds per month. You can get paid 90 cents per view, per photo. So yeah, that's pretty cool website. You just need to go there, sign up, and start making money. So again, thanks for watching my video. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. I would really appreciate. And I hope you don't mind of my imperfect video right now. They're never perfect, but I think today was probably the worst one. Okay, anyways, it doesn't matter because we're not here for videos. We're here for ideas. See you guys.